What's up, Barcelinas? We're going to bike night tonight. Well, it's really bike evening right now. We're going to bike evening. Hell yeah, let's get it. That's a big old curb. Ah, thank you. Bro, Dallas is so dangerous. This whole place is just dangerous. There's cars everywhere. Where do all these people come from? Alright, we got gas now. What up, Barcelinas? Yeah, we're going to bike night over at Texas Superbikes where we went last time. Probably gonna be a lot of people out there, dude. It usually is. And we missed the last few of them. They keep doing them on Fridays. What are we doing on Fridays? We're doing a live stream, so I never get to go. But this time it's on a Saturday. Oh, this thing cooks. I was on the 7 earlier, and I got used to this thing, so I had to get used to the 7 again. But I was testing out the handlebars. I like them. Y'all probably saw that video already. I put the drag bars on there like the black one had, and it feels good, man. I like sitting forward like that. Yeah, we back on the rocket, Barcelinas. God, this thing is so fast, dude. That's just the only way I can do. Somebody's like, describe it in one word. Fucking fast, bro. That's 2 words. Fast, bro. That's 2 words too. I guess fucking fast, bro, would be 3 words. 2 words. Role-playing chat room, dude. Oh, please tell me you know what I'm talking about. This place is pretty close. Oh, watch out. See the wheels turning? Oh, watch them wheels. I see the wheels turning. They coming. The wheels don't lie. Oh, nice, bro. I mean, they gave you a whole lane to do that, but better to do it when nobody's expecting it than when you should have done it. Oh, ooh, that was slippery. I'm using the clutch today. I was on the 7, so I'm used to using the clutch. I gotta reprogram my brain to quick shift again. I'm sorry if it looks bad, dude. The sun was going away and coming back, and I kept changing my ND filter, and I just settled on a 16. It might not be enough. This might all be washed out. Alright, it's up here, right where that dude went. I think I can turn left up here. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh, you can. It's right there. Yeah. No. Holy crap, dude! There's a lot of bikes there. What's up? Look at this, bro. Look at everybody. Look at everybody. What up? What up? What up? Dang, bro. Everybody in town is here today. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up with it? Let's go to gravel. Oh shit, we gotta go into gravel. Ah. Pop, 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 pop. We're gonna plant it right there, dude. Dude, we're going right in here next to the R3. Hell yeah, Barcelinas. Look at all this craziness. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? I know this guy. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, bro, I wasn't expecting this many people to be here this early, bro. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get there, ain't gonna be nobody there. Shit. Hell yeah, Barcelinas, let's go check this out. Damn, a lot of bikes, bro. A lot of bikes.
Declaring war, pulling out my shooting sword and playing a bird in the sky like the sword. Ambition open doors and I don't tend to knock no more. Up the calling up the score, hating on these records when these rappers fight the floor. Declaring war, pulling out my shooting sword and playing a bird in the sky like the sword. Ambition open doors and I don't tend to knock no more. Up the calling up the score, hating on these records when these rappers fight the floor. Declaring war, pulling out my shooting sword and playing a bird in the sky like the sword. Ambition open doors and I don't tend to knock no more. Up the calling up the score, hating on these records when these rappers fight the floor.
guys, look at this shit. Bike night. Look, I'm here with little Blue Duck. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, bro, this is crazy, dude. Uh-oh. Watch out. Predator coming through. Watch this. Anyway, this is fucking awesome, dude. I appreciate y'all kicking it with me today. This is fun, bro. How you doing, man? Yeah. Dude, I got them grips.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's see if they match. That shit looks so classy, dude.
So, yeah, whoever's got 30, man.
Fucking throw them on there and see if you like them. If not, give them to somebody else, you know?
I'm gonna try them out.
Hell yeah. It's close.
I got a bunch of different browns.
Yeah. Oh, dude. That shit might work, bro. Hell yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Dude, there's Ryan's bike. That's the bike we've seen him loop on the highway. Bro. Oh my god, dude. Dude, this thing still holds gas, bro. It's crazy. Damn. Bro. Dude, that's kind of a testament to a Kawasaki. This thing can do that and still be going, dude. Bro, he lives far away too. Thanks. Dude, wow, bro. I see you. Bro, I was just sitting here going, man, Kawasaki makes a really good bike. Like,
hey, that motherfucker is reliable.
I was like, dude, Kawasaki makes a good bike.
We're not doing wheelies. We're just moving to the front.
Dude, all this, dude, oh my god, all of it, bro. This.
I went and got a light from Walmart, so I have a brake light earlier.
Oh, that's nice.
you was chill like that, bro. I didn't know you was chill like that, bro.
I'm 26. Okay? Bro, damn. I ain't that old.
26. Why would you take this job? Why would you ever take this job? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, look, man, I wanted to be a cop. I wanted to be a cop, right?
Why?
But I found out I couldn't be a cop because I'm not gay.
Oh. He's like, hey guys, I'm cool. I'm 26. Yeah, but you're a fucking cop, dude. Nobody cool is a cop.
Yeah, like I said.
If they are cool, they're lying. It's his fault.
I know it is. Bro, that thing is not.
Oh, dude, the headlight. I love it.
Yeah.
I need that headlight.
This headlight is off my fucking S10. Want a Willie here?
What's up, dude? Oh, it's spray and pray, y'all. Holy shit. Oh, it's spray and pray. The damn floor. Oh, dude, it looks so much better. You got new fairings and wrapped it, huh? Sick, dude. Check it out, y'all. Bostonlinas Unite. Oh, you out?
Yeah.
All right.
There's too many of the big ones.
Little Blue Duck, Spray and Pray, JV13. Police. They can't kill us all. Well, they can. They probably can. They probably have enough bullets to kill us all.
Hey, look. Hey, there he is.
Yeah!
Look, this is the fullest part.
Fucking Yamaha squad. All right, Bostonlinas. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna get out of here. Police came and chased everybody off. They all coming back though. I think that restaurant complained because we were all in the parking lot. Hell yeah, bro. Yo, thanks for kicking it with me tonight. This was awesome, man. Bike night, bike evening. Featuring the Plano Police. And your boy going down, that was crazy. I'm gonna try to show it. I think I got it on film. I don't know. This is Ryan's bike. He's about to get out of here. Bro, that dude's crazy, bro. He got his little girl with him. Check it out. Look at her. She's cool, bro. That's a good dad. Hell yeah, Bostonlinas. This shit was fun, dude. Whoa, crap. We in gravel, hold on. You probably can't even see none of this. I can't back up because of the gravel. And my bike is tall and I'm tippy-toed. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, there's like a pit right there. See? The little hole. You can't see nothing. Forgot. Alright, let's go home. Bitch, I'm a Bostonlina. Oh, there's gravel everywhere. That shit was fun, bro. Hell yeah, that was badass, dude. Saw all kinds of people, bro. I know everybody. Police showed up and everybody with warrants left. This shit was like a mass exodus. You guys coming out? Yeah, he's coming out. Oh, into my lane, dude. Bro. Dang, bro. Bro, I mean, dude, I'm the only thing coming. Oh, whatever. Hell yeah, Bostonlinas. Dang, I can't see nothing. Oh, I can't see at night. Yeah, bro, saw a lot of people. Saw Spray and Pray, saw JV13, saw Chuck, saw Everybody Kyle, saw Mez, saw Simo, so Blue Duck was there, saw Jixer Bra, talked to him about his little deal that he's dealing with. I was like, you remember me coming up and telling you about mine? He's like, yeah. And I was like, you remember saying, oh, they can't do shit? You remember that? Oh, I got to meet Loop and Logan finally, bro. Me and Loop and Logan have ridden together like 5 times. We just never were stopped at the same time. Bro, a lot of people was up in there. It was fun, dude. It's like a family reunion. Think we're gonna die? What do we got? What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, yeah, we're good. All right. There's 2 turn lanes. We got the cops. I mean, I gotta give it to them. They showed up and made a presence, right? And then freaking hung out for a minute and left. They were cool, bro. They didn't give nobody crap. I don't think they wrote a single ticket. That was pretty cool. I think it was more about everybody was parked in that Chinese restaurant's parking lot. You know, they wanted everybody out of there. That's the kind of stuff you got to think about during meets. You can't be parking in parking lots of like restaurants on a Saturday night, you know. If you're gonna do it, find a place that's closed. You know, find a big parking lot like Walmart, somewhere like that, somewhere you can go off in the front corner where nobody's gonna be bitching about y'all taking up all the spaces. Because once everybody moved out of that lot, I want to say the cops left after that. So to me, I was like, oh, that's what's going on. Anyway, it's way too dark and we're almost home. So I appreciate you guys hanging out again, bro. This shit was lit, dude. I love hanging out with my Bossalinas. I just treat it like y'all are all with me the whole time. All right, Bossalinas, I love you guys. I'll see y'all later. Peace out, my Bossalina.